We get a new image that pretty much confirms that this is the iPhone 11, or what it might look like. We get new leaks of OPPO, and we have an interesting way of how to get rid of the notch, apparently. And Razer's CEO has pretty much just hinted of why the Razer Phone 3 might be delayed. I'm Jaime Rivera, and this is definitely a pre-recording as I'm flying across the Atlantic to get you the news. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with some interesting offerings from Spotify. They're trying a new duo service that's focused on couples where you're going to pay less than the family plan and you're going to be able to Frankenstein playlists that are focused on both of you as a couple. It's not available in every country right now. There are only 5 as they give it a try. And problem is the price tag. It's nearly close to a family plan. Like, why not just go for that? Now let's talk about the LG G8 ThinQ. For those of you that are wondering when that phone is going to be available, I'm one of them. Well, pre-orders are going to begin by the time you watch this video, with sales beginning on April 11th. Definitely 3 color variants. The pre-order price is $819, which is not bad actually, considering everything that you get in comparison to how you can get it on other devices. Yeah, let us know if you're getting one. Now let's talk about Razer's CEO and their plans for the future when it comes to smartphones. They've pretty much let go of the smartphone division, but it seems that they're still working on one. And apparently the reason why we are not going to get a Razer Phone 3 just yet is because they want 5G on this phone. When exactly that's going to be, I don't know, but I think that it's a good idea for Razer to not leave the smartphone market, but to also rethink their strategy. Now let's talk about the OPPO Reno, as one more time we get more teasers as to what to expect. And I think this is going to be this, I don't know, pop-up camera that's the weirdest ever, as it's slanted. It looks like this weird eyebrow that's looking at you. And I wonder if there's a purpose that could probably bring water resistance or whatever the case may be. Obviously, God, we still don't know a lot about this phone, and I can't wait to learn more because OPPO has been really killing it with their flagships lately. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the iPhone 11, we're hoping, as there are some leaked schematics that are showing up. And the funny part is that these schematics are actually of the iPhone XR or 11R or whatever the number is going to be. But we see 3 cameras in that weird array that we saw. So apparently this is going to follow the design of the Mate 20 Pro. Whether that's going to be the case or not, let us know in the comments. What do you think? Do you like this design for the iPhone 11 or not? Do you think that this is really the iPhone 11R? Because in my case, I don't know, man. If they're going to launch 3 phones, they better include 3 cameras on each, or at least 2 on one and 3 on the others. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.